Welcome back, guys. It's Friday. Yes, let's start it off like that. It was an exciting day on the stock market. As you know, this is your host, Ken, with KRS Investments Inc. Guys, here at KRS Investments Inc., we like to make investments simple, guys. We buy low and we sell high. Now, let's jump right into it. Here we're looking at for the day, we're looking at Polar Power Inc. As we can see, guys, Polar Power Inc. is currently sitting at 30% for the day. Now the stock went up as high as 65% to $15.57. The stock opened up just around $9.64. Guys, if you have been watching my videos for the last 6 months, I continuously letting people know that Polar Power was trading very, very cheap. It was a great pickup for anyone that was paying attention. And this is why I tell you guys, you have to subscribe to this channel. It is not like any other YouTube channel. Guys, I'm not comparing with anyone else. Everyone have their own thing, what they're doing. Now, the difference with me, guys, I make videos on the market now, and I only make videos, keep in mind, only make videos on stocks that I am buying and selling and stocks that I have in my portfolio. Now, if you recall my last 3 videos with Plug Power and with Fuel Cell in the last like 3 days ago, I let you guys know, keep an eye on Polar Power. They were trading very cheap. Okay. They were trading very cheap, and it would have been a great stock to add to your portfolio. If we look back here as early as in December, okay, on December 14, I made a video back in the 18th, so 2 days, 3 days back here. Now, when Polar Power opens up at $4.68, it closed off at $4.40. I made a video in terms of Plug Power and with Clean Spark, and in that video, I put some nuggets in there. That's why it's very important, guys, to watch the videos until the end, because if you're just like browsing through, then definitely you will miss out on a few opportunities just like this one as we see. In that video back then, December 18, I let you guys know that Polar Power was still trading less than $5 per share. It is a great opportunity for anyone that would like to add any kind of clean energy, or if you look at hydrogen. Because keep in mind, guys, if you look at hydrogen, we look at plug, we look at fuel cell, we look at all those guys, we look at Clean Spark, those company price have gone up, right? So the only cheap companies that was still left on the board, one was Plug Power, and if you're still watching, hopefully the other one was Pioneer Power as well. Those two are the only two that was trading less than $5 per share. Now, there's a difference trading in the momentum. We saw 2020, any fool could invest on like $10,000 and get a 200 to 400 in return, right? Because the market was very bullish and the EV stocks. So if you invest anything in EV stocks, I would say in the last 6 months, or say since March or June, and then for sure you could have capitalized on a profit of 200 to 400% without doing any swings or flip in between. Now, if you look back as early as, let's see, 1 month back, so we're looking at the 17th of December, okay? So right around this mark here, it was still trading at $5.48 and closed at 480. I recommend to everyone to jump on board as well. Guys, if we look as early as the beginning of the year, okay, we saw for a glimpse in second. Now, keep in mind, back on the 23rd, we saw that Polar and like power went up to 639, but came back down. We can see it opens up high at 617, goes up to 628, and it closes at $5.40. Now, once the new year starts and we start to see a small cool off in the Blink and some of those other guys before the news for Plug Power came about, we saw there was a buying opportunity. I let close family and friends know, and I put in each of the videos for every single videos that I made since the 1st of January. In the middle and the ending of those videos, in my closing, I let people know that says, guys, listen, keep an eye out for. At that point, I was saying keep an eye out for Clean Spark, because on a Clean Spark, it didn't break that $40 per share yet. And for Plug Power as well, it was still relatively cheap. It was trailing in the $29-$34 range. So it was still before the breakout that we saw Plug Power goes from 30 to 76. right? So, but I always tell people keep an eye on Plug Power. If you're doing any kind of short term trade, then that would be a great swing for you because I've been trading this exact stock since June. Right? I just want to stop the video by saying I thank you guys for supporting the channel. Show your love by subscribing, like, leave a comment. If you have any stocks that you would like to share with me, please let me know. If it's something I could add to my portfolio, then I'll definitely do my research. If it's something I'm not interested in adding to my portfolio, then I appreciate the support. Now, until next time, guys, have a great day and peace out.